There are lots of places that you can get B-roll footage to use for your reels. You can go to a content bank online. There are a lot of really great content banks where you can buy videos to use. You can also use just videos of your day-to-day life, like your feet walking, or a picture of the beach, a video of the beach, or a video of flowers as you walk by. But if you want it done for you and you want a place where you can grab a lot of content and edit it in app, I really, really like Canva for that. So on Canva, you can go down to where it says mobile videos, then see all. Here, we're going to look for videos to use for a reel. So I'm going to press on the search and type coffee. Then I'll go and click on a coffee video. So I'll click on this one to the left. You can see that there's already text on the screen. I want to add my own text in the Reels editor. So I'm going to go in, click on each little piece and hit that trash can in the middle, and that deletes all the text. Then I'll go down and make sure that there's no text that pops up along the way. Perfect. It's just a video of coffee. Then up here in the right hand corner, there is an arrow pointing up with a half square underneath it. Go ahead and hit that, then hit download. It's going to download it as an MP4 video, which is exactly what you want to put on to Instagram. Hit download again. This will go onto your phone.